Hello Team Encrypt, this is abeerrao and this is the face recognition that I've built using Python and OpenCV. This is the code for it. We're using the cascade classifier and the LBPH face recognizer. This is the labels for the different faces that this recognizes. This is basically the loop. We're creating a rectangle around it, then we're recognizing it, and we're making a new picture called recognize.png, then recognizing image show, waiting for it to be closed, and using the video capture as the default uh, camera built in. So let me just show you. Wait for it. There you go. It says a beer right over here. You can see it says a beer. Okay, and we can just close this from here. So I hope you guys liked it. If you did, be sure to smash that subscribe button, like the video, share it with everyone, and hope you guys enjoyed. That's it for this video. Peace.